By using an auto trim removal kit, you can quickly and easily remove the trim from your vehicle. There are different models of car trim removal tools on the market. Selecting the best car trim removal tools among so many models can be difficult. That's where we can help you. You will learn authentic information about the 5 best car trim removal tools in 2023 on the market in this video. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the most effective car trim removal tools available on the market in 2023. We examined the factors that differentiate a car trim removal tool from good to great, such as its features and capabilities. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended. Number 1. BYNIIUR 88 PCS Trim Removal Tool. BYNIIUR's Trim Removal Tool Kit includes everything you need to work on your car's trim. The package comes with 11 terminal tools made of plastic, 3 tools for taking off panels, 4 precision hooks, and 11 metal picks. Also included are 40 push fastener clips, 5 of each type. They cover holes from 4.6 mm to 10 mm, which should be enough for almost any use. The tools are well made and can do any job, from taking off the headlights and speakers to taking apart the whole dashboard. When it comes to retention clips, clip removers are very helpful. They come in 3 different sizes, one of which is a tool that looks like tweezers. The metal keys and wires make it easy to pull out the stereo unit, and the tools for removing wire terminals help keep all kinds of wires and power plugs in good shape. The plastic tools may need to be sharpened, but they work fine right out of the box and won't scratch or mark the car. Number 2. Tresalto Auto Trim Removal Tool Set. This high-quality auto trim removal tools fits in any crack and works great to remove exterior and interior trim, molding, wheel hubs, door panels, fasteners, dashboards, and more without scratching or damaging your car. It comes with 5 tools for removing auto trim that is made for specific jobs and makes it easy to remove the trim from inside and outside of cars. It was carefully made to work on cars, boats, RVs, and other vehicles, so you can easily make repairs and do maintenance. Its sleek design helps protect the look of your car. This tool is made of strong but flexible nylon, and it has a unique ergonomic design that makes it easy to hold and use. This saves time and effort when doing hard repair or maintenance work. It's perfect for both experts and beginners who want to make changes to their cars. It's also small, which makes it easy to carry or store in your car so you can use it anywhere, anytime. Overall, the BYNIIUR kit is a great deal for a great all-around kit. We're sure you'd love these tools as much as we do. Number 3. AXELECT 456-Pack Trim Removal Tool. One more excellent choice available on the market is the AXELECT 456-Pack Trim Removal Tool. This pack of 8 distinct types of trimming tools comes with 1 fastener remover. It is ideal for installing or uninstalling car audio/radio systems, door panels, moldings, window trims, or automotive interior mending and furniture restoration. The tool set has an ergonomic design and is extremely lightweight and small. It offers easy handheld features that save time and effort while cutting various parts of the inside and outside of a vehicle in the lowest amount of time possible. This device is made of impact-resistant nylon fiber material with a matte surface treatment. It is more durable than the typical ABS one, as well as being non-toxic, eco-friendly, and breakage-proof. All of these tools have been shaped in accordance with the requirements for automobile trimming that are now on the market. They have a moderate curve that is not sharp, and they are designed to protect car paint while preventing scratches. In general, it fulfills all of the user's requirements and provides satisfaction. Number 4. Wetado Trim Removal Tool Kit. Wetado Trim Removal Tool Kit is a great, useful tool set for removing car trim that has everything you need. It saves time and effort for most changes to the inside and outside of a car. This professional remover tool set can be used to remove and install trim on cars, boats, furniture, or airplanes, as well as for a wide range of other tasks. There are 120 car retainer clips in 6 common sizes and made of a special high-quality plastic. With the fastener trim removal tool set, you can easily replace old or broken car door panels and upholstery clips without hurting your nice car. It has an ergonomic and lightweight design with easy-to-use features that make most changes to the inside or outside of a car faster and easier. You won't have to worry about losing the car trim removal tools because they come with a zippered storage pouch. Its cable clips are made to last and are used a lot. They are great for computer/TV cables, power cords, USB cables, network cables, and more. It sticks well because of the strong glue, and once it's closed, it keeps a wire in place. Overall, Wetado Trim Removal Tool Kit provides super service. Number 5. JOJOY LUX Pack of 8 Auto Trim Removal Tool Set. This tool is also a great option. The JOJOY LUX kit comes with 7 plastic tools and 1 metal clip remover, which might be all you need for your car's trim. It has just the basics in a small package, but these trim remover kits are meant to replace knives and screwdrivers. With the tools in the JOJOY LUX kit, you can remove the control panel for the power windows and the interior lights, work on the headlights, and take clips out of the trunk. The tool set has an ergonomic design and is very light and easy to hold. This makes it easier to trim the inside and outside of a car with less effort and in less time. It is made of impact-resistant nylon fiber with a matte finish. It is stronger than most ABS toys and doesn't harm the environment or your health. They have a moderate curve that isn't too sharp, won't scratch the paint, and won't hurt the car in any way. Overall, JOJOY LUX Auto Trim Removal Tool Set provides the best service to satisfy the needs of its users.